TAN, Track Assets Now, is a personal safety app developed by Marg Inc, a U.S. company with an additional office in Mumbai, India. We have modified our TAN app for managing the response to the COVID-19 pandemic, where we are experiencing lockdowns in our hometowns and across the globe. This is the simplest and fastest way for communicating with local authorities when someone is under duress. In the case of COVID-19, anyone can directly relay their status and symptoms to local authorities with an SOS call. Most of you are new users, so we will start by registering your name and phone number. After pressing the Send Access Code button, you will receive an SMS with a numeric code for an authentication, just like most other mobile apps. Enter this code into the input field provided. You are then taken to the main screen of the app. Displayed are the following buttons, which are now highlighted as COVID-19 potential actions. Video upload. You may video your cough to have a doctor determine its severity. Image upload. If an image is needed, this tool provides a time-stamped current image of the patient. During home quarantine, the authorities might ask for patients to upload images at periodic intervals of the day. The Track Me feature is also for people in home quarantine and monitoring movement for healthy family members on essential travel. The COVID-19 button is the most important right now. The app seeks information from a user that has symptoms or needs to report in, perhaps under strict quarantine conditions. First, enter your name, age, gender, and temperature reading. For families, we added a relation button for multiple entries per household. Next, any pre-existing condition can be listed, such as heart disease, asthma, or diabetes. Please select the symptoms experienced, such as runny nose, sore throat, coughing, fever, and difficulty breathing. Other critical details include the date when symptoms began, if you traveled abroad, if yes, to which country and for how many days. Finally, submit data. The data collected helps the authorities register the call for help and the initiation of your case. They can determine the location of the nearest health center and what appropriate actions may be taken, such as fast-tracking initial check-in, then possibly testing locations, instruction for quarantine, or admission to hospital. To track, manage, and control the COVID-19 crisis, TAN is the way to go.